What's up guys, welcome back to the Trendy Gadget. On this channel we will talk about latest gadget, upcoming and trending item around the globe. Today, we are excited to present the best products available, that you can grab in the market right now. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and push the bell for updates on upcoming videos. Let's jump to it.
It's always tiring to organize clothes with a typical hanger. For tops, you have to be careful not to stretch the neckline. For pants, you always have to adjust the clips. And for thick clothes, they don't always fit in your drawer. Because of all this, oftentimes you just leave your room a mess. We wanted to solve this problem, so we decided to come up with a new hanger design. And after months of revision, and more revision, and more revision, we've got it just right. Meet Hurdle Hanger, or as we like to call it, the 1 second hanger. It's designed to help you organize all types of clothes quickly and easily. You can hang your tops, bottoms, knits, and even your belt, just like that. So how's this possible? It comes down to this unique insert design. It's what allows you to hang any type of clothes in a snap. What's more cool is it prevents the neckline of your tops from stretching. There's more. Hurdle Hanger is designed to hang clothes 2 to 3 inches higher than most hangers, creating more storage space beneath. You can also save space in your closet, since it's half as thin as the average clip hanger in the market. Another cool feature is the C-type hook, where you can hang your belt or even extra clothes. And unlike most flimsy hangers, Hurdle Hanger is made of high-quality ABS, a durable material used to make protective headgear. Oh, and of course, it has slip-resistant strips to prevent your clothes from falling off.
The Ultrasonna is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything, in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasonna for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasonna cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasonna generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right. It literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. The waves are powerful enough to break through this tin foil. But it's gentle enough to clean delicates and lingerie that can't go in the washer. Ultrasonna is actually gentler than hand washing. All you have to do is put Ultrasonna in water and plug it in. It's that easy. Ultrasonna brightens linens and cleans stains in minutes. It's safe to use with satin, lace, and other delicate materials. With such concentrated power, Ultrasonna cleans fast and deep. Ultrasonna is the perfect cleaning tool for families. It can clean baby products, toys, and bed sheets in seconds. Clean scuffs and stains, and restore a brilliant shine to jewelry. Clean makeup off brushes and pads. Lift hard-to-clean grease off tools, and easily clean paintbrushes. It can also clean your razor and other personal hygiene items. Put Ultrasonna into the sink after a meal and relax while it does all the work. Clean fresh fruits and vegetables and eliminate harmful pesticides and other contaminants in seconds. Sterilize the items most vulnerable to bacteria, and protect those most vulnerable to microscopic dangers. Enjoy a cleaner home and a healthy family with Ultrasonna. Simple presettings for jewelry, dishes, clothing, and food means you can plug and clean with a simple touch in seconds. Designed as a travel-friendly cleaner, Ultrasonna is compact and lightweight enough for a day trip or extended vacation. It easily fits in purses, backpacks, or travel bags. Tired of loud washers? Ultrasonna is almost completely silent, so you can wash without waking up the whole house. Not only is Ultrasonna super quiet and super effective, it's also environmentally friendly. Until now, we've relied on conventional washing machines, dishwashers, and chemicals to do our cleaning. These outdated methods are expensive and waste massive amounts of water. Every year, water wastage contributes to disease and scarcity all over the world. It has also led to the tapping of irreplaceable groundwater supplies and permanent damage to the planet. The average household uses 36,000 gallons of water annually, 40% of which generated by your dishwasher and washing machine. Not only does Ultrasonna use 40 times less water than washing machines, it also requires 15 times less energy to run, and it doesn't need hot water, one of the main carbon producers in homes. Ultrasonna can reduce your water waste by thousands of gallons and carbon footprint by hundreds of pounds per year. Clean better, smarter, greener, and faster with Ultrasonna. It's the best way to clean just about anything.
Creating fire wasn't always easy. Rocks, matches, lighters have all done a great job. Now, it's time for elegance and subtlety to play a part in the evolution of candlelight. With endless hours of work put into its patented technology and design, CandleTouch revolutionized the candle user experience by creating a slick and beautiful candle that can be lit from our phone. A screw-on design inside the candle's base makes it easy to replace the wax when needed or when choosing a different fragrance. Had a long day but still want to feel romantic? The whole approach to candle lighting has changed with CandleTouch. Usually those holiday meals can be a bit of a hassle. With CandleTouch, no skills are needed for making great things happen. Help us reach our goal and bring comfort and beauty into your own home with CandleTouch.
At Orbitkey, we believe that life is better when everything has its place. Because when it doesn't, we find ourselves spending time rummaging through mess looking for things, when we'd much rather be organised and productive. So we set out to find the solution. Introducing Nest, the portable and customisable desk organiser for all your everyday essentials. Nest is designed to help you declutter and work more efficiently wherever you are. Following 3 successful crowdfunding campaigns where we transformed key and accessory organisation, we're back to bring beautiful organisation to your work. The lid serves as a premium leather tray, creating a dedicated place for your essentials, with a built-in wireless charger that keeps devices charged while you work, so they're always ready to go. Inside, movable dividers allow you to customize compartments to suit your specific needs. And with everything neatly organized in a shallow compartment, you'll easily locate items at a glance and know instantly if something is missing. Nest features a smart, dual-function hinge system for maximum versatility. The top tray separates from the internal storage for convenient access while you work. Or simply flip it open like a book for quick access on the go. And as for those cards that you don't use often, store them in the lid to free up space in your wallet. Also included is an elastic pouch for smaller items that tend to go astray. And finally, the adjustable pen loop ensures you always have easy access to a pen when you need it. Nest is carefully crafted from premium materials. The foam padded interior will keep your belongings safe and protected as you go about your daily commute. Available in 2 timeless colourways, black and ash, the Orbitkey Nest makes the perfect home for your everyday essentials.
In 2019, more than 2,500 people chose the double-sided Dullo pillow for optimal sleep posture. In the pursuit of the best sleep possible, our team continued our research on sleep. We found something that's just as important as sleep posture. Your body needs to be at the right temperature for perfect sleep. Because if you're too hot, you won't sleep deeply. Introducing an interchangeable cooling pillow for that perfect sleep, Dullo Plus. The Dullo Plus includes a Dullo pillow, a cotton pillow insert, and a cooling pillow insert. Use the cooling pillow insert to stay cool while you sleep. Start by chilling 3 cooling packs in your freezer. Then, slide them into the watertight cooling pillow insert. Finally, place the cooling pillow insert into the Dullo Plus for a refreshing night's sleep. The cooling pillow insert cools the back of your neck. Using its hexa-layered design that maintains a constant temperature for up to 7 hours. Dullo Plus lets you choose the pillow insert that's best for your sleep. And the double-sided design helps you sleep soundly by adjusting the shape of your neck to an optimal position. Use the crown side when sleeping on your back to maintain your neck's natural C-curve. And use the arch side to keep your spine horizontal when you're sleeping on your side. You can also easily adjust the height of your pillow with the cotton pillow insert. The Dullo Plus is made from all-natural materials and uses 100% cotton. And the whole pillow is machine washable. Improve your sleep by maintaining optimal sleeping posture and staying cool through the night. Enhance your sleep, rest easy, and feel rested with an interchangeable cooling pillow, Dullo Plus.
That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos.